What's going on, guys? Dreworkz here, and today we just finished a robot Craftsman Tesla Model 3. This is their wide body hacker kit. This is also on airlift 3P with our very own Dreworkz struts. So this customer requested us to wrap the full car satin black. This is 3M satin black, and then we added the gloss black accents on the wide body kit, the front lip, all the little front bumper pieces here. As you can see, the front lip is gloss black with the satin insert with the satin front bumper. Then we have these satin wheels to kind of differentiate with the gloss black flare. And then these wheels actually have custom Tesla center caps. Keep in mind, this car is a little dusty because right now here in Texas we got some high winds, but this is how the side profile looks with the side skirts. And then we have the rear door piece and the rear flare piece going into the wide body rear bumper. Here you can see our slogan, built to inspire, which is on most of our wide body vehicles. We also tinted this car with 3M as well. And then the rear bumper, kind of like the same as the rest of the kit. We have the gloss black sides, gloss black rear diffuser with the top satin black in that 3M satin black that we have. The car looks sick. It came out great. We even added like a gloss black rear wing. Keep in mind, we still do need to wash this car again and detail it for the customer. But let's go ahead and review the bags as well. So on this car, we actually have the controller mounted here to where when we press on the brake, it'll automatically air up the car. So now I have done absolutely nothing. All I did was press my foot on the brake and it automatically aired up. So now I can go outside the car and you can hear the compressor running, which is not actually very loud. It may sound louder on camera, but it really isn't. So this is ride height on the Model 3, which is actually no rubbing at all when turning, no rubbing when driving. It looks sick without the lights on. And then we added these gloss black mirror caps. I'm gonna wait for that compressor. And then we ended up adding these gloss black fin style mirror caps to kind of accentuate the satin and the gloss that we were kind of going for, you know. So aired up height is still pretty good height, you know. Let's go ahead and check out the front setup. Let me go ahead and open the front. So let me go in here. It's got the white interior in this car. Let's go ahead and open the front. And this vehicle also got our custom front setup. So this got a satin tank to match the satin vehicle with the dual compressor setup and the airlift 3P management. This has our custom plate on it, which it just says perfected by Dre, and everything on this air kit has been looked through and done correctly by me. So here's the front setup with the car. Looks sick, phenomenal. This came out a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest, and I actually really like this kit. Now keep in mind, this kit did need a lot of work, just like the Golf R that we recently finished. Robot Craftsman has a tendency of not fitting 100%, so if you want it to fit 100%, you're gonna have to do a lot of body work. So this kit, we did do a lot of body work just to even make it fit, but it came out sick in the end and customer loves it. Alrighty, let's cue the cinematics.